Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. These are the tools you need to change your oil. You'll need a 14mm wrench or socket and some type of oil filter wrench. There are many different types. This is a cup style designed specifically for the size of Toyota oil filters. You will also need disposable gloves because used oil is not good for your skin. Need some rags or paper towels, and then some brake clean or solvent to clean up. You will also need an oil drain pan and a funnel. And lastly, you'll need to be able to lift your car, either a set of ramps or a jack and jack stands. First, open the hood. The hood release is in the driver's footwell. The secondary latch is located just to the right of the emblem. Remove the oil cap. The oil drain plug is right here, so get your wrench and loosen it. Get your drain pan in position and then remove the plug. The oil filter is right here. So move the drain pan, make sure it's under there. Loosen the filter with the wrench. Then loosen it until it starts draining oil out. Let that drain for a bit. Once the oil filter has stopped dripping, you can remove it the rest of the way. It will drain out more oil. Take some new oil and wet down the O-ring on the new filter. Install the new filter. And just tighten it by hand. You don't want to crank on this with a tool because then it'll be very hard to get back off. It's always best to replace the washer on the drain plug, helps it seal. When the oil has slowed to a drip, you can put the drain plug back in. Tighten it with the wrench or socket. And then clean off the oil that is on the oil pan or anywhere else with some solvent and rags. Fill the engine with 4 quarts of 5W30 oil. And now check the oil level by running the engine for a little bit, then shut it off, pulling the dipstick, wiping it off, sticking it back in, pulling it out, and making sure that the oil level is between the lines. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.